Hi, this is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com on Wednesday, December the 9th, 2009. We're going to take a look at gold here. And here is a weekly chart of the closing spot gold price. And we can see here that we broke out in late August here of this cup with a handle formation and got above $1,000 and started to close above $1,000 and ran up here. And I've drawn an upper channel line here and a lower channel line. You can see here in the last couple of weeks we started trading above that upper channel line, which is a sign that things are getting a bit overheated, and now we've pulled back into the channel, which is a very normal reaction. We can see here that the MACD is still strong and trending higher, and we're still well within these channel lines, and we also have a bullish stacking up of the moving averages here with the 4-week or 20-day moving average here, the 10-week or 50-day moving average, and the 20-week or 100-day moving average all stacking up in a bullish formation. So gold still looking good. I'm going to switch now to a chart of the GLD, which is the gold ETF, which roughly tracks the gold price actually pretty closely. On the spot gold end of day close, we don't get volume, so this is a good place to look at the volume figures on gold. And we can see here that last week we had a very heavy volume reversal off the top. We made a new high here on the GLD of 119.54, and then the stock closed in the lower part of the range on extremely heavy volume. In fact, the biggest down volume in a long time. This chart goes back about a year and a half, so it's the biggest down volume we've had in that period. So that's a very negative sign. It did happen over the 10-week moving average, so that's a little comforting. But that shows that we may have put in at least an intermediate term top here. And we'll probably pull back further and test this 10-week moving average at least. Looking here now at the GDX, which is the ETF for the gold miners, the gold mining stocks, we can see that we have an inside channel here that we're following up. We touched that last week and pulled back on heavy volume. This is another big volume reversal week here. And now we're down here testing the 50-day or 10-week moving average on the gold mining stocks. We could get a pullback down here to the lower channel line, which would be about $45. And you can also see there's an upper channel line here working as well. So the GDX still acting well. You have the MACD still in a bullish uptrend here. And this line here is called on balance volume, and it shows if you're under accumulation or distribution. So this line is still trending higher. So more money is still flowing into gold miners than flowing out. And finally, looking at a monthly chart of gold that takes us back to 1998, we can see that we're in an uptrending channel here. I've drawn some channel lines, these gray lines here. And you can see that we have a bit farther to go here to touch this upper channel line, and it has pulled back twice after reaching those levels, so that would put us somewhere in the $1,400 range, just as a quick guess here. This green dotted line is the 20-month moving average, and the market is said to be in a bullish formation if it's trading over this 20-month line, which it clearly is. We breached it here for a few months in mid-2008, but have since recovered and trading well above it. Now down here is the stochastic, and you can see that I've drawn a line over the tops here, that when we reach this sort of upper area, it tends to get a bit overbought and is due for a pullback. We still have a bit more room to go if we're looking at stochastics. So charts indicating that gold is still bullishly in an uptrend and has not really reached overbought levels as shown in a previous action on the chart. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. As you may know, making big money in stocks is all about being aboard the handful of true market leaders during a strong bull market. At goldenticker.com, we concentrate on locating only the strongest stocks and give you proper buy and sell points based upon our proven trading models. We also monitor the health of the general market to let you know when conditions are favorable. I'd like to invite you to begin your free 2-week trial at goldenticker.com now and get full access to all our stock picks, advanced lessons, and more.